it's Glamorous TT, and today's video I am going to be showing you guys me dyeing my brows with some regular men's beard dye. Before I even get started with the whole dye situation, I'm going to groom these eyebrows, because when I tell you I frigged them up and I tried to let them grow out, but I'm like, listen, I don't like how they looking, okay? So I had to change around the background. I'm sorry, you're not gonna get this glamorous background. I do not play when it comes to my brows, so I had to put you guys on my video of me just grooming my brows, not dyeing them. And I just used this really like cheap razor and some coconut oil so I don't cut myself, and I lightly groomed my brows. Once I'm done grooming my brows, I'm gonna take a baby wipe and just wipe off any excess oils and get started with my dye. Just so I can be clean, I'm not gonna put it in a bowl or anything because it is dye. So I have this old lotion case by Dove, and I'm just gonna be putting the color base and the developer in that bowl, so when I'm done I could just clean it on out and reuse it. Since we're using a small amount of both, you want to make sure that you get it as equal as possible. And when mixing, you want to use an old like makeup brush, just something that you don't really care for. I have this brush that is basically dedicated for this process, so you don't want to use no Signa brush and Real Techniques brush. You want to use a very cheap ass brush. You want to make sure that you start off with a little bit of the dye. If you're a beginner, you want to just Vaseline areas that you don't want the dye to get on. But for me, I'm just doing light, long strokes because I'm just doing how I do my eyebrows. So just take your time. You want to make sure that you get every spot on your eyebrow that you want the dye. And if you do make any mistakes, just make sure you have baby wipes on hand so you can just quickly remove anything that's landed anywhere. Okay, this dye is extremely, like, it goes everywhere. Okay, my first time using this shit, I got it everywhere. Okay, so you just want to make sure you're very careful. When I tell y'all I really started to question my life at this point of the video, I was given very much Angry Bird, okay? But if it's one thing that I know how to do, that is trusting the process, okay? So I'm going over to the next eye, and I'm not gonna lie, my eyes are definitely not giving cousins. It's giving very much cousins, second cousin, removed, cousin by marriage type vibes. So before I wipe this off, I did leave this in for more than 5 minutes. On the box it says 5 minutes, but realistically I left this on for about 15 minutes. I want to tell you guys, when I wiped it off, I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't giving, you know, Angry Birds. It was giving what it was supposed to give. Okay, guys? Just a reminder, if you want that gradient look, don't go too heavy in the front like I did, because I had to put in that work with that baby wipes as far as making it not look too like a Sharpie block front, if you know what I mean. And the color dye that I did use was black. I think next time I'm going to use dark brown just so I can see what is the difference. But all in all, I really love how this came out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.